What is Colombia's national drink? After that nice Colombian dish in our last episode, you probably want something to wash it down. But with what? Colombia is internationally famous for their coffee, and when you visit here, the locals love to guzzle firewater known as aguardiente. However, if you dig a bit deeper, you may discover a drink with even more cultural roots called chicha. Chicha is an ancient beverage originating from the Andes and the Amazon. You may find it throughout Latin America, where each region has their specific variation. In Colombia, the recipe is simple. Just cook some maize with some panela and water. Then let it ferment for 8 days to produce your yellow, bubbly, ritualistic drink. Traditionally, chicha is made by chewing this corn and spitting it out because the saliva converts the starches into maltose sugar. In 1948, chicha is banned when it is blamed for causing a riot and the downfall of society. In reality, it was a smear campaign from a German beer company with assistance from the Colombian government in order to expand their financial pie. In 1991, chicherias are allowed to legally produce this cultural alcohol once again, and it is gaining popularity. Often university students will mix it with other drinks or as a replacement for beer. But beware, chicha is often an acquired taste. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to receive updates on our future shows. Also, let me know in the comments below about your chicha experience. In our next episode, we will explore Bogota. See you then. I'm Mark Thomas for Anthronauts.com. Hasta pronto y...
Uy, agua. Anthronauts.